Hi, we're Team Bullseye. My name is Ryan Stoa. I'm a junior here at Arizona State University. I've been working with Team Bullseye for the past couple of months, and we've been working on a new product. I have a background in entrepreneur. My family owns a business back in Wisconsin. I'm majoring in computer science, so that helps a little bit with the software development that we need for this project.
And I'm Riley Moreland. I'm a civil engineer here at Arizona State University, and I'll hopefully graduate next year. As a civil engineer, some of the strengths that I have is I can help build devices that we would need for this product. I'm also taking a class in entrepreneurship to better understand how to get these products and ideas to the market.
And my name's Forrest Falk, and I'm currently a computer software engineer here at Arizona State University. And I've also used to be a mechanical engineering major, so I do have some backgrounds in stresses and loads on objects. And also when I was in high school, I've done an actual Intel capstone project to design a measuring device to help out our project.
My name is Brian Williams. I'm also a civil engineer here at ASU, and I have experience in real estate and marketing, sales and marketing, and so that's one thing I can offer to the team is experience in marketing and sales. Okay, as far as our market opportunity and strategy, our product is the FingerPrint signature. And the market that we would like to capture is deals with the millions of dollars that are lost each year because of credit card fraud. Right now, the way the system is set up is I could go in and buy a shirt or whatever, and as I use my credit card, all I would have to do is basically scribble some lines. I could even put a smiley face on the signature pad as a verification of my identity. Well, our product is going to capture some of this lost money that goes to credit card fraud. And what our product does is we will sell our product to retailers, and what it will be is a fingerprint signature, so that we or any other authorized user can verify our identity by our fingerprint. And this will allow the identity to be checked on a database, and by doing so, that fingerprint is the only authorized fingerprint that will be accepted for any given transaction. And so, along with that is we will also sell our product to retailers. Team Bullseye has developed a product that will allow credit card companies to capture some of the lost value from credit card fraud. And right now, millions of dollars are lost each year as a result of credit card fraud. The current system is very inadequate, and our product is a way that the system could be improved upon. Currently, the process for using a credit card involves a signature in a keypad, and the way the system is set up, there's no verification of this signature in any type of database, and so basically you can write anything you want in that little space, and it will verify your identity. Our product will allow retailers and credit card companies to prevent identity theft through a fingerprint signature. And the way our product works is we will sell our product to retail stores, and in those stores, a customer will place his fingerprint on a keypad, and that fingerprint will be matched with a database. And the owner of the credit card or any other authorized user will be the only person available to make charges to that credit card. Through this process, we will create value with the credit card companies, and we will partner with them along with retailers, but also there's value created at the retail stores. The queues will be much faster, and this will result in a better customer experience at checkout.
So in order for a product like this to work, we would need a software that can effectively search through millions of fingerprints to match up with the user's cards. But not just the users, you'd also need anyone else who's approved to use this card. So kind of like one of the things the software would also need to be able to do is check to make sure whoever's attempting to use the card is authorized to actually use that particular card. And if not, obviously it would have to notify the clerks or the tellers or anyone like that. Once the software is developed, though, we would need huge servers, massive servers, to store all the data the software itself would search through. And then, of course, we'd need backup servers just in case the main servers crash to protect our customers' information and also to ensure that nothing failed in their attempt to use it. After all that's set up, the hardware for this device would include an interactive touch screen, much like the credit card you see now, credit card scanners you see now, except instead of using instead of using electronic signature, you would use FingerPrint. So that would still be pretty much the same. And then, in order to access the servers, the hardware devices would need some kind of connection to internet, whether through Wi-Fi or through a hard line. Either way would work. And then, of course, you would need an AC power source. These devices would also, if they were connected to a point-of-sales computer, they could also run like Windows XP or something better maybe. And then with the product cost, current penmanship signature devices run somewhere around $500, and then a Fulltronic USB fingerprint scanner runs for about $70. So we're assuming that the total cost of our product will cost around $600.
And then the most important part about our product is creating value for it. And basically our whole product consists of the actual fingerprint signature device where you put your thumb on it and scans your fingerprint. And then also the service that will take that fingerprint data and send it to the server, and then the server will send it back and verify that it is actually your signature. And then since value is most important, we want to try and create as much value as we can. Obviously, with the security issues out there now, credit card companies are just dying for a product like this because it'll save them all the troubles with their customers, losing out money that they have to refund to them, and also the troubles of actually running the identity theft services. They don't want to have to do all the hassle and keep hiring more and more people as identity theft increases recently. And then also retail stores will love our system because now that their customers' money's not getting stolen, the customers will actually come back to their store more often. And also, the queues are a lot shorter. The lines are going to be a lot quicker. You just have to tap your thumb for 1 second, and then it checks it, and then you're done. And then also, there is some competition out there, but not really. Right now with technology, it's just the penmanship signature is our main competitor. And also there's the digital signatures like the I accept button online and whatnot. But the only thing we may be worried about in the future is once our device is released, competitor companies will probably try to engineer something pretty similar to our device, but we will be the first ones out with it, mass producing it.
As far as marketing and sales go, the marketing for our fingerprint signature will be done in 3 ways. There will be different personal sales calls to a lot of the retail stores. What we want to start doing is building up a strong establishment foundation in our local community where we'll go to, we'll start with grocery stores and expand out from there. And once we get those customers interested in our product, we can show to other customers and other retail stores that this is effective, this is working. We'll also work very hard with magazine advertisements, even if it's a billboard, just getting some type of banner out there advertising what our product is, getting the local community familiar with what we're doing. And then the number one thing that we'll do is we'll meet one-on-one with other businesses and companies to try to spark some interest, to reach out to them and say, hey, this is what you can do to improve efficiency in your store. And we'll also work with credit card companies to offer incentives to retail stores who use this. So that'll be the main pitch that we do to try to strike up sales. As far as our investments go in setting a foundation for the startup company, we're estimating about $50,000 for our initial investment. This will include all of our startup costs, anything that we need for the prototype to get that up and running so that we can start using that for marketing ourselves. The really breakdown of this usage of funds for our initial fiscal year will be incorporated in a lot of, as a legal entity, we'll want to make sure that we copyright and patent our product so that it stays within our company. We also need about $10,000 to develop the device itself as a prototype, to start using that, testing it out to see if it'll work. We'll also need about $5,000 for the development of the software that we need, the algorithms that will compare and validate each fingerprint signature. And $15,000 will be allocated for marketing. This will include personal calls, telemarketing, banners, mailers, all of the above. And then once we have a prototype, we'll want to carry out a bunch of tests to make sure that it works, to make sure that it's valid. So that'll be about $10,000. And then also the distribution of this product, in that getting it out to other customers, getting people to use it. This could be even trials for our retail stores to use. So that'll be about $5,000. So.
And then as a summary, the fingerprint signature will definitely change the market out there that is today. The market is so wide open right now because people are having troubles with their signature verification, and it's like I said before, you can draw a smiley face and get away with it. But there's no real thing that takes care of that security right now with such an easy fix that helps out the credit card companies, the retail stores, and also the customers at the end. And honestly, anything will help out as long as our credit card thing will just get rid of all those discrepancies at the checkout. It'll honestly just wipe out any of those hardships and needs. And that's why your partnership with us would help make great opportunity of making such a wonderful product. And this is Team Bullseye, and thank you.